Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bri and we are back with another video. So happy new year guys, it's 2021. I'm super pumped for this year because I have a lot going on. If you've been following me on my socials, on my Facebook, on my Instagram, you should know that I have a lot going on. Your girl is a whole CEO now. I have a whole product line out, so please go check it out. It's called RABAH. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below, so you can please go and check it out. So guys, happy new year, happy new year. How is your 2021 so far? What are your hair goals? What are you looking forward to for 2021? So I'm starting off this year with a length check, which we're going to do together. I've just had a trim and I think I overdid it, but well, hair girls. So I'm going to just do a length check, then show you guys how I do my L.O.C or L.C.O or L.O.B, whatever you call it, method to just keep my hair hydrated throughout the week. I do this every 3 days, like the full L.O.C. Then in between I do just the L.O, that is the liquid or the leave-in and oil. So what is the L.O.C method? The L.O.C method is literally liquid, oil and cream. This method is used to keep your hair hydrated and shining and strengthened. I always emphasize that water is and moisturizing is very important for your hair growth. So if your hair is not moisturized and it's dry, it can easily break. So it's very important to keep your hair moisturized, and I'm gonna show you how I keep my hair moisturized. So let me show you the products I use, and of course I use my own products, RABAH. By the way, I've been working on this product line for about over a year. Yes, over a year. We launched in July last year, and ideally I wanted the whole product line to be out, but that did happen. I only released the hair growth oil and the butter, but now I have the full product line, from shampoo to conditioner, to rinse out conditioner, to deep conditioner, to hair mist, to a leave-in conditioner, to the growth oil, to the butter, and I have more products coming that are going to be released later on in the year, because my brain is always thinking of new ideas. But yes, this product line was made with you in mind, and one day I'll give the story about why I started and how I started, but this is not the video for it. So let's just get into the L.O.C method. So let's first start with a length check. So I just had my hair trimmed. I over trimmed my hair, but anyway, hair girls, my hair has been in a two flat twists, protective style. That's why it's like this. Okay, let's start with this side. That's why it is. You'll see that. Check this side. I overcut my hair, truth be told, but it will grow back. Side is here, the front is lower lip. And yeah, okay, now that we are finished with the length check, I can't get over the fact that I over trimmed my hair. Anyway, let's just get into the L.O.C method. I'm going to be doing it in sections. I prefer working in sections. So easier for me. Going to just section that away. Start with so this is the leave-in hair spritz. It's the hydrating leave-in mist I'm going to be using. It's in this little bottle. What I do is I just spritz my whole hair. The key ingredients in this spritz is fenugreek, rosemary, aloe vera, and peppermint. And it smells so nice. And if you don't have spritz and you want to do the L.O.C, it's okay. You can use just water. Water is fine. I love working in sections. It's just easier for me. So I'm going to apply RABAH Naturals Leave-In Conditioner, and the key ingredients in this are aloe vera and coconut oil. You don't have to use a lot, just a little will go a long way. This also smells so divine. Oh, and it also has tea tree in it. So literally what is in here is aloe vera, coconut oil, and tea tree. After applying that, what I do is I apply my hair growth oil. This is an 18-in-1 hair growth oil. Let me just read for you the ingredients. It has amla powder, it has neem powder, it has henna powder, it has fenugreek, it has hibiscus, it has moringa, it has curry leaves, it has extra virgin olive oil, it has coconut oil, it has castor oil, black castor oil, it has avocado oil, it has aloe vera oil, it has sunflower oil, it has rosemary oil, it has lemongrass oil, it has vitamin E oil, it has tea tree oil, and it has lavender essential oil. This little thing is packed with nutrients and vitamins and minerals that will grow your hair like crazy. You better get this. Link is below. RABAH Naturals, if you're in Kampala, of course. I apply it on the scalp, and the beauty with this bottle is it gets to the scalp very well. Just apply it, then massage. Just massage it in. I get some of it and I apply it on my hair, into my strands. And then I finish it all up with the RABAH Naturals wheat shea butter. I focus on the ends because those are the oldest parts of your hair, so that's what I focus on. After that, I just twist this off. See, look how juicy this twist is. Alright, I'm gonna show it to you guys one more time. So I already sprayed it, and I'm going to just add a little mist. And then I add the leave-in. Then I apply the oil to my scalp. Massage it in. Apply the oil to my strands. Just seal in that moisture, and then finish up, and then finish up with the butter. So I'm done moisturizing my whole head. What I do is I get the oil and just take it through the lines. And yeah, that's it. That's about the L.O.C method. It just keeps your hair moisturized, and you can use any products that you have available. It doesn't have to be as glamorous. You can use whatever you have available. For the start, you can use water and any oil you have available, and just do the L.O.C method. That also works. You can use butter and just do the L.O.B method. Instead of the cream, you can just do leave-in or liquid oil and butter. So just do whatever works for you. Use the oils that work for you, and your hair will thank you. Trust me, your hair will thank you for that. So thank you so much for watching until the end. That was it. And oh, I'm trying to hit 1K subscribers before this year ends, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, tell a friend, tell another friend about my channel and about this video. Thank you so much. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Oh, please let me know in the comment section below what videos you would like me to do throughout this year, any suggestions, anything you would like to see me do. So yeah, leave that in the comment section below. I'll most definitely be doing that. And thank you so much for watching, and never forget that God loves you. I love you guys so much. See you in my next one. Bye.